there goes the monorail. There goes my baby. Happy regular time Thursday, everybody. We're at Epcot. There's nothing here. No food or wine. No flower and garden. No Festival of the Arts. It's nothing here. It's just plain Epcot. This doesn't happen very much anymore. But it is super crowded because this is marathon weekend here. And we're still in the tail end of holidays. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the line for Spaceship Earth. Holy cow. It's very quiet here. And the fountain is not really going off except for, you know, the continued waterfall, because if the water blows on anybody, it's going to be pretty cold. Over in this section, no topiaries or anything. Flowers. It's pretty. It just seems kind of empty. Going around the world, they do have the Festival of the Arts store up, and they're ready to open next week. The band is playing in Canada. So Aurora is doing her meet and greet over here. It's now about 40 degrees outside. So you can see she's got on kind of a heavier outfit. I'm surprised they actually still have her out doing the meet. Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon! We're in Japan, so of course that means Yoshi, Mario, and Pokemon, I guess. Oh wait, Dragon Ball also. These backpacks are pretty cool. We got Eevee and Link. I'm behind the times. I have not seen this guy before. I like this hat. Next to Jigglypuff. Oh, this is pretty cool. A little infuser inside of the teapot. It's free. Wait, it's 30 bucks. I love these. Got some bento boxes. I like it. $33. These are pretty cool jigsaw puzzles that are bowls. When you make it, you can glue it, put a plant in it. 40 bucks. It's been a little while since I've been in Japan here. They've moved the Fresh Pearl section to the right side from the left when you walk in the store. And now you can see everything on this big video screen. Let's see what he gets. That is $18 to get a pearl. I should get this for Jess. It's a ramen party! This is amazing. Wow. New art for the kitchen. These guys are awesome. They have construction walls happening here now. What? Wow. Oh, it's a life-size Pikachu. He looks just like Ryan Reynolds. Disney announced their acts for Flower and Garden this year, and we will be back at least twice. Night Ranger is back here, as well as Rick Springfield. I'm dating myself, but I am so psyched for those bands. So we didn't really have any fast passes, but we're just strolling around, see what's going on in the countries. Frozen, 95 minutes. Does anybody see the irony in this? The dessert party for Frozen is moved inside because it's too cold outside. For Frozen. Frozen. Am I alone in thinking that they need to bring back Duffy? Come on.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
So we've walked around the world, we've checked on the wait times for rides. There's not a lot that we can do, but I think we might have found one ride that we could get on. That's right. We're going on the seas. Hey, dude. There's so many spiky bushes in this queue. Yay!
I am not going to lose you again. Do you hear? Where are you, son?
I'm over here now.
There's so much to know. I'm aboard Explorers, it's time to go.
Those look like French fries, and I am hungry. SpongeBob!
Good. And I'll say
Jellyfish! Why do buy from the bite? Oh, what a beautiful bite! Fish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal, Bruce.
Fish are friends, not food.
More salt, mate. Fish are friends, not food.
This is incredibly disorienting.
But everybody's looking for you.
Whoa! Kill the motor, dude.
Hey, you know what I can do?
Roger's offspring! Awesome!
Wow, look at that seahorse. That star. Oh, look at all of these guys. There's a lot of seahorses. Look at that guy. Wow. I can't get over how cool these things are. When they move from branch to branch, their like fin on the back just kind of like flutters like back and forth. Look at that. That is sick. I've never seen that before. Check these out. These are eels. Oh, look at that guy. That's ridiculous. There's clownfish hiding in here. Do you see that guy? There's one back there. There he is. I found Nemo. In a big blue world. Dude! We're online to meet the man, the myth, the legend. It's Baymax! What's up, buddy? We got a fist bump? Uh-oh. We were thinking about Spaceship Earth on the way out, but the line is still 45 minutes long. That's gonna do it for me at Epcot today. Chilly, crowded, fun. Basically call this Kyle went to Japan and saw some seahorses. And now we're heading out. So thanks a lot for coming along with us. Thank you very much for all of your likes, your comments, your subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. We'll see you guys. Death Star.